Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Discord and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.